In this video, I'll show you how you can change your username in Marvel Rivals. Now this is really simple, guys. All you gotta do is you wanna open up the game, you wanna click on your profile, and what you need to do is you need to have some currency. So to change your name, you need 500 of either one of these. So if I head in here to my profile and I click on change name, you'll be able to see a rename card costs 500. Now, however, if I select this one, you'll be able to see that I can also spend 500 of these to buy it instead. If I press on these, you can see 500 of those equals to $5. So if you want to change it with the gold coins, it's going to cost you $5. What you then want to do is just buy those, purchase the rename card, and then you can type in a new name that you want. Keep in mind you cannot select a name that has already been picked by another player, but that's basically how it works. Now, if your name doesn't update immediately, just try and close down the game and then relaunch it, and then your new name should be there. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.